Imagine preparing for a clean break from your job, but instead of well wishes, you plant a digital time bomb. This isn't just a story, it's a chilling reality. For the kind of person who values trust, the idea of a former colleague erasing vital work can feel like a deep betrayal. A 43-year-old former employee of Nichia Corporation, a name synonymous with innovation in Tokushima, found himself facing serious charges. His actions, timed perfectly with his departure, would soon unravel a complex digital scheme. What truly drove this act of sabotage?
The calm confidence of this individual concealed a very deliberate plan. On June 29, 2021, while still employed at Nichia's Yokohama Research Institute, he used a company computer. It wasn't for his daily tasks. Instead, he carefully installed a malicious program. This wasn't a sudden impulse. It was a calculated step, setting the stage for something far more disruptive. But why would he choose this specific path?
The real damage was programmed to occur later, precisely aligned with his retirement date. Picture the quiet anticipation of leaving, yet knowing a harmful script was waiting to execute. On July 31st, 2021, the very day he officially departed, that malicious program sprang to life. It swept through the servers, specifically targeting and deleting crucial experimental records. This wasn't just data loss. It was a direct obstruction of the company's core operations, an act that undoubtedly sent ripples of shock through the institute.
You know that feeling when something just feels wrong, even if you can't quite pinpoint it? Nichia Corporation certainly felt it. The company quickly realized the extent of the unauthorized deletion. Sensing a deliberate act, they didn't hesitate. A criminal complaint was filed with the Tokushima Prefectural Police. This wasn't just an IT incident. It was now a case for law enforcement, signaling the gravity of the breach. How would the authorities unravel this digital mystery?
The pursuit of accountability moved steadily forward. Last November, the police arrested the former employee, signaling a significant breakthrough in the investigation. The case, initially handled by Tokushima prosecutors, was later transferred to the Yokohama District Public Prosecutor's Office this February. This move ensured the legal process would proceed where the man resided, underscoring the methodical nature of the justice system. Now, indicted for obstructing business by damaging computer records, his actions have serious consequences.
This story is a stark reminder that digital assets are often as vulnerable as physical ones. It highlights a quiet confidence in a person who believed he could control the outcome, but the law proved otherwise. The Yokohama District Public Prosecutor's Office formally indicted the 43-year-old, confirming the severity of his digital sabotage. Incidents like this aren't isolated. They're part of a larger, evolving pattern of digital risk and insider threats. Understanding these patterns is key to navigating our increasingly interconnected world. There's so much more to uncover about how these subtle forms of sabotage impact organizations and individuals.